Syllables, Beats, and the Pennywhistle with Miss Das. Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Das. Since I missed you on St. Patrick's Day, let's start with peace, love, respect for everyone. I'd like to show you my Pennywhistle, which is an instrument commonly used in Irish music. But what is Irish music? It comes from the country of Ireland. But where is Ireland? Here's a globe of the world. You can see the United States, and if we look closely, we can see Ohio. If we travel to the east, passing the compass rose, which gives us the directions north, south, east, and west, and cross the ocean, we find an island country called Ireland. The Irish Pennywhistle. Francis is dancing to the music, and Francis is keeping the beat. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Francis, good beat. Francis is playing a tambourine and trying to keep the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Francis. We might have you join the band. That was a big finish, Francis. I liked how you played the tambourine.
Thank you.
You know, when you were tapping out the beats to the music, it reminded me of the English language. We have beats in our words too. Our beats are called syllables. Can you say syllables?
Syllables.
Nice. Well, let's play a game. I'll say a word and you repeat after me. When I say the word, I'll clap the number of syllables. All right, let's try. The first word is hi.
Hi.
Great job. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Nice. I like candy.
Me too.
Oh, Francis. Repeat after me. I know you like candy. All right. I like candy.
I like candy.
You're good at this. Nice job. Do you have any questions? Okay. All right, well, thanks for playing this game. Irish dance in Cleveland. The name of the next Irish song is Calliope House. Calliope House is a dance or jig. To play this music, I had to learn to read notes. We read musical notes from left to right, just like we do when we read words in English. Do you love an apple? Sounds in tune. The next song I'd like to sing you is called Do You Love an Apple? Cluck, old hen.
My old hen is a good old hen. She lays eggs with the railroad men. Sometimes 8 and sometimes 10. That's enough for the railroad men. Cluck, old hen, cluck and squall. Ain't seen an egg since late last fall. Cluck, old hen, cluck and sing. Ain't seen an egg since late last spring. My old hen is a good old hen. She lays eggs for the railroad men. Sometimes 1, sometimes 2. That's enough for the whole crew. Cluck, old hen, cluck and sing. Ain't seen an egg since late last spring. Cluck, old hen, cluck and squall. Ain't seen an egg since late last fall. My old hen is a good old hen. She lays eggs for the railroad men.
Peace, love, respect for everyone.
See you next time.
She ran by the apple tree. Who knew it was full of bees? Are you wondering what happened then? Or do you think about how this story could end? Folks who knew her said she did just fine. Only 2 bees got out of line. What do you think she did the next time? She